Hello, children. Hope all of you are safe and doing fabulous indoors. Well, this is me, Bhavyagowda, Miss Earth. I'm really happy to be associated with Drona Edu. Last year, we have gone through the worst phase of life due to pandemic, and I'm certain that all of you have been really coping up with the man-eating menace, COVID. Well, I'm really happy that we are uniting and coming by to fight this pandemic. But there is no end for learning. As we all know, Drona Edu app is one of the best learning apps in the recent Eduvent. I have one good news to all of you gorgeous children out there. What is the good news? Well, Drona Edu app is coming out with free live classes, and there are specialists who are coming out with not one or two, but 3 to 4 classes per week on skill-based learning. You can learn on any topic, which will definitely engage you in furthering up the learning process. So I would definitely advise you and recommend you strongly to download Drona Edu app. What are you all waiting for? Download Drona Edu. Love you, yours, PG.